Hi guys, in this video today, I want to show you how you can actually start earning 5,000 Naira for yourself every single day. And I'm actually making this video coming from a point where most people actually might be figuring out how they can actually start earning some extra bucks in the online space. And what I'm going to be sharing with you guys here might just be a very unique method that maybe you might have heard before, but coming from a different perspective that would really start helping you to start getting better results. See, nobody likes to be broke. And this particular method I'm going to be sharing with you guys now is something that is quite simple and anybody can do as far as you have a smartphone. Yes, that phone right there in your hands. I did this for myself and I'll be able to earn over 8.8 million Naira. 8.8 million Naira that has been paid directly to my bank account using this particular method. And this is why I'm like, just watch through and listen carefully to me on everything I'm going to be sharing with you guys right here. Now, all I'm going to be asking for you guys in this particular video today, within the next couple of minutes, is to sit right back and watch this video till the very end. I mean it, watch this video till the very end, because you're going to be getting a couple of invaluable insights that will really help you to start up and scale anything you want and start earning over 5,000 Naira every single day. Guys, if you actually earn 5K every day, how much will you be able to make in a month? That should be at about 5,000 times 30 or so. Let me know how much that will be in the comment section below. Yeah, calculate it and type it down for me in the comment section below. Now, during the course of this video, I am not going to be telling you anything, but if you actually have any question and concerns, please let me know in the comment section below, because I will definitely answer to all of your comments. And at the same time, the link to my community is going to be in the description, where you can easily access me and we can actually get to have a conversation around several ways to scale your own business. Okay, now the method I'm going to share with you guys in this particular video today is where you'll be taking up on simple tasks online and you'll be making cool money for yourself. Yes, and these simple tasks I'm actually talking about are tasks that might actually require you to just have a simple social media account. And what that basically means is that if you have Facebook, if you have Instagram, if you have Twitter, if you have let's say LinkedIn, then most probably you have an opportunity to be able to start earning this much for yourself. And all you simply want to do is to proceed and sign up to a site that actually would allow you to start taking up on these social media tasks and you get paid. Okay, now there are a couple of this kind of websites online. We have OwoDaily, we have Naira Workers, we have Micro Workers, and a couple of them out there. But with all of them having their different rules and regulation and all, I'm going to be discussing one so that we don't get confused or overwhelmed with several websites right here in this video. And this is OwoDaily. Now, when you actually come up on OwoDaily, basically you want to set up your account, and accessing the platform is not free because you actually might need a subscription in order to be able to access series of jobs that are on there, right? But the major thing is when you actually go ahead and you sign up and you log into your account, you can come over here on micro jobs and you can see that you can actually earn by completing series of jobs. And on here, you have the opportunity to be able to take up on simple tasks like YouTube video job, or visit the website and click on ads, YouTube subscription, follow and comment, join Telegram bots, follow my TikTok account, follow page and like my videos. And if you are able to apply on all of these jobs right here, you would actually be able to gather a little bit of money for yourself, right? Now, when you even scroll down here on the job list, you can actually see some opportunities that will actually help you to earn way more than you are even expecting. For example, it says here, 100 digital creators invite award. This will earn you like 150,000. This one here will earn you like 100,000. Milestone completion, this one will earn you like 50,000, and a couple of other options that are on here. Right? So what exactly do we do and how exactly do we take this job? Listen and listen carefully. Okay, so let's take, for example, we are picking up this one. It says 50 digital creators invite award. I'm going to click on apply right now, and once I click on apply, it's going to bring me over to this page where I get access to the job instruction. Okay, to win and claim this job bounty, invite 50 digital businesses to sign up for OwoDaily and list job bounty or cashback campaign. Okay, and that is all you need. Follow up and read through to get more insight on this particular job. And what am I going to do next? what I'm going to do is to click on start job right now. And when I click on start job, it is going to take me over to this particular place here where I can copy my OwoDaily link, okay? Because you want the project to be tracked, right? I can copy my OwoDaily link, and on copying my OwoDaily link on here, I am going to be able to start inviting people using my link. Now, all you're going to do is to just copy your link. So when I'm copying this link, I'm going to go over to Facebook. See, what I'm looking at now is how I can promote my short link and invite business owners, okay? How I can promote my short link and invite business owners. And you can already see here, this is over 8.84 million that I've claimed, okay, right here. And I have about 15 million. This is 15 million pending, okay? This is 15 million pending on here, okay? This is 24 million naira that's, you know, in accumulative. Yeah, so I'm showing you exactly what I did and what you should do as well, okay? Now, you want to go over to share this particular link on your social media platforms, okay? Now, some of you guys might actually complain that, oh, I can't post it on WhatsApp. I don't have an audience on WhatsApp. I can't do it here. I can't do it there. Please just go over to Facebook, okay? So we're going to go over to Facebook. And when we go over to Facebook, guys, what we are going to look for now is look for a couple of groups that already have people that are in the bracket of what we want to reach, okay? See, that is all we simply need to do right now. And once I'm here on Facebook, I'm going to go over to groups, or I could just search and I'll say Nigerian business groups, okay? And once I search up for Nigerian business groups, you can actually see here, there are a couple of them that are on here, okay? And once they are on here, you can see 16K, 49K, 41K, and all. Now, what I'm going to do is to look out for a couple of groups that will allow me to share my post as well as, you know, have a very huge number. Listen carefully. For example, this one here has 41K members. And as you can see here, I'm going to open this group. Let me open it in a new tab. Let me see if I can actually access this group and see how it says, you know, are being run. Okay, awesome. So we can see how it is being run. And as you can see here, there are people that are posting here, but most of them are just the admin. Okay, only admin is posting. This group is not a good group for you. Okay, only admin is posting. Let's look at this one. Let's look at this group. We are looking for business groups. Okay, and it must also have business in the title. You can look for other keywords. So let's look at this. Larry Dome. Okay. Now, a group like this one now, different people are posting different things. Okay. But you would now also notice that the engagement rate in this particular group is quite low. Okay. The engagement rate in this particular group is quite low. All right. But look at this particular person got about 4 comments. This person got about 4 comments. Okay. And what did he post? He said, if 30 to 50K weekly through liking videos on TikTok is too small for you, is not too small for you, signify by saying hi. And people are engaging. Now, this basically shows that there might be some active people here in this group, and a couple of, you know, you guys can actually get to, you know, find people that will promote. Now, another group that I actually know that would get you a lot of business owners is this MBC tribe. And when you come here, this particular group is by Nigeria Branchik, and we both know that she has a very huge audience of business owners. Okay, there are over 59K members here, and when you go over, you can see that the engagement rate is quite high. Anybody can post, and the engagement rate is quite high. Okay, when you come over here, you would see different things, and you just notice 7 comments, 105 comments. Okay, a lot of other comments, and people are engaging. Now, what you want to simply do is actually to join this particular group, and this will not take us to the next step because you want to actually start out with posting content. But don't just post content and make yourself look like an unserious human being. You actually want to use the formula jab, 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 hook. And if you can even do this within 1 single week, you will start getting very huge results. Now, what you want to do is to post 2 times in this particular group daily, and all you simply want to do is to post value content. Yes, value content. Okay? how to start a business in Nigeria, how to scale in the online space, or how to start out with digital marketing, best this digital marketing, strategies to use to scale your online business. See, it's not hard. You can find it on Google, okay? Or you can even go to ChatGPT. I'm sharing with you guys all of the expo here so that you can actually do this and get results, guys. Now, look at what I came on ChatGPT and I even told ChatGPT. I want to post value content in a Facebook group. These guys are business owners and they sell online. So share me some ideas for value content I can post for 30 days. And I send it on ChatGPT and you're going to see ChatGPT respond to me now. Most of you guys use ChatGPT for things that are irrelevant. But this is actually a very irrelevant thing that you can actually leverage on. Now, look at exactly what ChatGPT has done. And it is actually breaking everything for you down. Day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, day 6, everything. It's giving you the details of everything step by step, by step by step, right? And this is exactly what you might need for your own business. This is only what you can also leverage on. And it is giving from day 1 to day 30, right? You can even ask it to since you're posting twice in a day. Now, I just said for day 1, write up the exact content I will share with some insight. And the major thing is that while you're actually doing this, you would also be learning a lot. Yes, you would also be learning a lot because this is only what is going to build you, right? So look at here, the importance of knowing your target audience. And it has given you a very, very detailed breakdown. Now, you're not going to copy this and go and paste, right? You're not going to copy this and go and paste, no. You're going to read through this particular thing and learn it and then summarize it in your own words, right? Pick out the bullets and most important points and summarize it in your own words. And this is exactly what you will now go and paste in these groups. Put it there. Yes, day 1, day 2, day 3. Now, what you're looking at doing is having this top contributor badge because of someone that is very, very, is usually engaging and posting in the group. You want to have the top contributor badge, okay? Now, once you've done this for like 7 days, you've put up a very good content consistently, what you want to do next is now to type and ask something like, if you want to make an extra 50K, 30 to 50K weekly with your online business, I want to show you a simple platform that would actually help you to scale. And let me know if you're interested in this. Just drop hi in the comment section below. Now, once you do that, you would have people that will start dropping hi in the comment section, right? They start dropping hi, or let's say, I want to know. Because you're a top contributor, people know you're a valuable person, they start dropping hi. And what do? You now tell them in their DM, click on their bio, tell them in their DM, you reply everybody in their DM. Reply everybody in their DM. And you can actually tell them, okay, thank you for responding to my post in this group. This particular method is going to help you to generate about 30 to 50K weekly extra. And you can simply go ahead and sign up right now. The website is OwoDaily.com. Use this link to get started. That's all. That's all, guys. That is exactly all you need to do. Okay? Now, once you do it, let's say you have about 50 comments. Of these 50 people, you can have about 5 to 10 people go ahead, sign up, register, and then make payment, right? And they subscribe to the platform. And that is all you need. By the time you run this for week 1, you run it for week 2, you run it week 3, you run it week 4, before you know it, you've completed and you've been able to amass multiple people on here. That is all, right? So I'm trying to simplify this strategy for you because see, people that are actually making money, they don't have 2 heads. They don't have extra abilities, right? They just understand the pattern to do things and they get to do it, okay? So once you are able to do this, then the next thing for you is that you are getting this reward. But beyond this, you're also getting some cash back. You're also getting to win some invite and referral bonuses. And then you still get to win, a couple of other bonuses based on the task that you have applied for. Now, I don't want to make this too long, and this is just going to be only the part 1 of this particular video. I'm going to make another video for you guys. And that video, you must actually watch it. Yes, I implore you to watch it because it's going to be mind-blowing and crazy, because it's going to be showing you another method that you can actually use to earn 5K for yourself in a day. Okay? Now, what you want to do next is to go ahead, use the link I have down there in the description or in the pinned comment and access OwoDaily. Once you come over here, you can actually click on Become a Member. And once you actually click on Become a Member, you can just go ahead, do a couple of registration and then there's going to be more of like, a fee to get to subscribe on here, right? See, I'm not telling you to go ahead and pay for anything. If it's a free account, I will tell you to go ahead and get a free account, right? But the major thing here is the fact that this is exactly the process here. And in order for you to be able to access a couple of other features here on the platform, you might just need to subscribe and pay for it, okay? So once you are here, just put in your name. Let me put in my name. I'm going to put in another email here, and then put in my username. Okay, now let's say I add some numbers. I'm going to click on the next step right here, and I would need to subscribe for membership. Subscribe for membership, and then put in my country, Nigeria, and then put in my phone number. Follow through the registration process, get registered. Once you do, please use the link in the description to also join my community, right? And ask me questions in the comment section. I would answer all of you. Guys, this method is legit, and everything I've shared here would help you scale. Watch through and follow this process again and again and start getting better results for yourself, okay? Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video, and I would see you in the next. Peace.